Let's take a look at how to set target CPA bidding in Google Ads. Now, to do this, first thing is to come into Google Ads, go to campaigns, and then select campaigns here. Then you want to make sure you find the campaign that you're wanting to adjust. Next to it, you should see this little cogwheel where it says edit settings. If you click on that, then it should pop open a window that looks something like this, where you can then go to bidding. And right now we have it set to maximize conversions, which is great. That's actually the best place to have it right before you switch to maximize conversions with the Target CPA. So there is kind of an order of operations here. Of course, there's no set and fast rule that's, how it has to be done every time, no matter what. But in general, from a high level, you'd want to start with something like maximize clicks, then go to maximize conversions. And then after it's been running on maximize conversions, as long as you have like 30 plus conversions a month coming through, I actually find it works better if you have something more like 50 or 60 conversions a month coming through. But then you can come here and set a target cost per acquisition, which it is optional. But this is basically telling Google like, hey, we're willing to spend $50 per lead. Now, it's not like a hard and fast rule, meaning Google, will still get will acquire leads or customers at a higher cost than this, but this is kind of what we're just suggesting to Google. Hey, try to target leads or sales at this cost per acquisition. Another thing to keep in mind here is it's beneficial to keep this number below your daily budget. So if you're spending $30 a day and it's costing $50 per lead, that means you're going to get fewer than 30 leads per month. And that's going to make it really difficult for the AI to learn properly in the platform and do what it needs to do. So it's better if you were to set a target CPA at something like $20. And of course, this CPA should be relatively close to what your average conversion cost is over the last 30 days, or 14 days if you're running a lot more budget through a campaign. But either way, it should be close to reality, right? So if you're currently getting leads at $20 per lead, then you might come in here and set this at like $18 per lead and let that run and see if Google Ads can get you leads at a slightly lower cost per acquisition, maybe about 10 to 20% below where it is currently, which would be somewhere around here. You could probably go as low as like 16% or $16 per lead, somewhere in there. But you get the idea. You could set it at $18, save, let it run, come back in 2 weeks, check to see how the performance was. If your cost per acquisition actually dropped, then you could try dropping it again. Save it, run it for 2 weeks, come back, and just rinse and repeat that process. So this is something you kind of want to feather and adjust over time and kind of see how it performs, and then come back and make more adjustments. It's kind of an ongoing optimization, if you will. But ultimately, that's how we would come in here and set a target CPA. I hope you did find this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.